In this video, I'll show you how you can recover your Roblox account if you've been hacked without using your email or your phone number. Now first what you want to do is head over to roblox.com and you want to find their support website. And you can do that by simply typing in support, just like this, and you'll come to the contact side. From in here you want to fill in your information. You can quickly make a new email address if you want. This is just where they're gonna contact you, or use an existing one. It doesn't need to be the one connected to your account. Then from in here, you want to select PC or whatever device and choose account hacked or can't log in. Go down here and say account hacked. Then from in here, you want to tell them that your account has gotten hacked and also tell them that the hacker changed the email and the phone number. Then what you want to do is tell them your username and also let them know that you can do any verification if they ask for it, such as what device you played on, when you last played, and stuff like that. Then simply press continue and wait for them to send you an email. That's basically how you can do it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.